You see, it's complicated. It's not easy. Culture lessons right here.
No, bro, I need 3 arms.
What's up, guys? So look who I'm with.
What's up?
Hey.
What's up?
What's up? How's it going, bro?
Love it, love it. Absolutely, it's so great to be back home. It's so great to be working with professionals. This guy's the most hardest working guy I know. He's humble, he's honest, he's on time. He's pretty much what is so great about what's happening in Gayson, Somaliland. So it's really just a privilege to get to know brothers that are just making things happen. And you've introduced me to some great sisters as well. We've got something cooking up, inshallah, that you guys will see. But yeah, I'm in town and today you're going to take me around Sabaha.
Yes, we're going on the KO tour today. So I've been busy, so I'm not gonna lie. Mo's been busy as well. We've both been busy. So today, he's only free today. So I'm taking him on the KO tour. We're gonna go to Mas'ud Jeddah. We're gonna grab some food.
Yes.
I heard you
what kind of food though?
So it's like Yemeni food. Yemeni food. We'll call it Yemeni food.
Yemeni food. So do they have futamus?
My G.
Yes!
My G. Obviously, man knows about that feta
Trust me,
mousse.
I haven't had it for 3.5 years.
Bro,
So-
khalas. So, but you gotta have something else because they have another thing that's nice. It's like a sabaya chapati with like meat inside it and things like that. So you gotta grab that as well.
I'm not sure about that.
Oh, you can do takeaway, don't worry.
But
Don't worry.
let's
Let's see when we get there.
I'll tell
okay?
you what, me and the boys have had food poisoning. Just let everybody know. Do you know what I mean? I'm not afraid to say it. It happens when you come here, Sabaha. Do you know what I mean? It's not a lie that happens. But you keep going. Sabaha.
100%. You
I'm
know?
definitely going to touch on the, there's futamus, but what is it really called? Because that's what we call it. Sabaha. That's what they call it.
That's what I call it. That's what they call it as well.
Futamus.
Futamus,
It's
yeah.
a horrible name, but it's so good. Alright, anyway.
So anyway,
Food poisoning, no food poisoning. We're going to eat some food.
for sure. And there's not gonna be any food poisoning because it's actually a very nice, clean place.
Exactly.
I wanted to also take them to Alami. It's a nice local food place. They have this thing called fadiret, which is like sabaya with egg, with mince, yummy. But anyway, next time we come, it's not the last
No,
time.
we'll go straight after.
This guy,
So we
eating guy as well. Why
I'm
not?
not eating, I'm going to experience.
Experience,
Last
okay.
night,
We'll get.
I know his famous vlogs. I want to be a part of his famous vlog. I want to, and maybe the Waffle House, that waffle place.
Okay.
Peppermint Waffle.
You haven't been, right?
I haven't been.
All right,
I know
hold-
it's launched, so
Yeah. All right, hold on. We'll
Yeah,
go check it
let's
out.
have a
Let's do it.
yeah.
Tonight, food tour. KO food tour, actually.
Yes.
All right. We'll catch you guys later. What's up, guys? So we are currently here at Mahsoud Jeddah. So this is spot number 1. I'm bringing them on the KO food tour. So basically, we got Tim going for the. What have you gone for?
What was it? The full with egg and meat. Yeah.
Then we have Mo going for the feta mousse. So it's kind of like sabaya with banana, with some other things blended. I've gone for the. So what for Tim's gone for, but I've gone for kidney as well. So it's called Sudasi, or there's loads of names for it basically. I've gone for the beans, egg, and meat and kidneys. What have you gone for? Federa. So what have you got inside it though? What did you go?
Egg, cheese, and meat.
Egg cheese. It's nice. Oh, and then we have the Somali tea as well. Shah Yemeni.
Yeah.
Yemeni or Somali?
Somali.
وصومالي
Yes.
ما يمني
Yemeni
يمكن
tea.
ها
Yes.
شعدس
Yes.
صدق كن وشعدس
Yes.
هي So there's 2 types of teas. There's Somali tea and Yemeni tea. This he said it's Yemeni. He said, but I like the Somali. I like the Yemeni tea more. Yes, and I'm saying that on YouTube. I do like the Yemeni more. But there's a lot of sugar. You want sugar or no sugar? Try it. Well, let me try it for you, and I'll tell you. Yeah, he's not gonna take it. بدون سكر. بدون سكر. No. You want a lot of sugar or a little sugar?
Give me, what is this? Normal.
There's a lot of sugar. Normal? Mo Ali, doing it the real way, huh? The real way. Oh, yeah. Thank God you gave that back. Alright guys, so this is how we wash our hands here. Well, in this restaurant anyway. Because otherwise you have to go wash your hands all the way there. Bit of water.
Yeah.
Put it further away from your body so you don't. You don't get wet. Me. How's that? And then you swap. This is called sharing is caring. Because our hands were clean anyway before, so that's just that extra wash.
You're gonna
flick it like that.
hand. Gotta keep it clean. Mohammed, do you want some?
Alright, let's enjoy it now. Alright, so we got all our food. Now, let's go. Let's go, Muali.
So I've waited 3 years for this. 3 years to have this dish.
So this is called feta mousse.
Feta mousse. So it's kimis, bananas, and honey, right?
Yep.
It's the real deal.
That's
The real deal.
That's what I like to hear.
Well done. Thank you, brother.
Nah.
Thank you.
Of course, I always got you, bro. But it's gonna cost you. It's gonna cost you. Taste me.
Yeah. This is the real one.
Because I'm not gonna lie, I haven't tried this feta mousse. I have tried Yemeni al Saeed, but
Exactly how it tastes.
and it's fresh. It's hot.
Yeah.
Oh no,
It's a real
Nah,
one.
nah, that's a real one.
A real one.
It's better than
Yeah.
Yemeni al Saeed for
This is
sure.
how they make it the original way.
Oh, that is nice. But, yeah. Bread pudding, more than right. Yeah. But you think rice because it's like clumped, like rice, but yeah. I think we're very happy with the KO food tour. And we're another surprise afterwards as well. I'm gonna take them somewhere else, close by. See you guys after we're done.
هوي باردة باردة هوي جيت بالو فدي سنشيري جيت بالو فدي سنشيري انت اللو بقول دكتا قباتي لقاد
So, give us a.
Brand new. Do you know how you know it's real? It says www.night.com.
That's how you know it's real. This is how I do it. There's never
No.
Have you had? No, I do it. Okay. No, but because me, sometimes you have a towel on or something, so I do it from the bottom. Yeah. So no one sees my. Yeah. And then anyway, this is what I do. Okay, you kind of like make sure it's like a good length. You don't want it all the way at the bottom. Yeah. You hold this higher than the back one. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. You fold that round. Normally you suck in so it stays tight.
I don't know how it's,
Alright.
this is way too
Fold.
much. Too complicated.
And then boom, Bob's your uncle.
Okay, nice.
And just rock around. It's like, you know what I mean?
He's doing it wrong. That's
No,
way
that's
too
not-
much.
okay,
Get
there's
off.
another way.
Let me
Now
do it.
show
Alright,
them the way
do
you
do
it.
part 2. Hey,
Part 2.
this is how Mo does it.
It's tough because you have to.
Alright?
A few moments later.
Get out of here. Let me
Oh
do
yeah,
it.
no, it's tough.
No,
because
look,
you
he's
see-
even showing
Yeah, because you have to do all this and this. Go
Get
on,
out of here.
let's
Alright,
both
I'll do
see.
Let me do it.
Then you have to take off like this supposedly.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh no, that's perfect. That's the right way. Right way.
So you
No,
put it-
that's my.
That's
Oh,
your way. That's one way.
that's one way. Okay, that's
Boom.
my way, but the style is different only.
Okay.
The style. But
Then-
now this is the one that.
Like that.
You see?
Wait, hold on. Wait.
Hey, pressure.
How it just like that.
No, that's
Wait,
cheating.
wait,
That's
wait,
cheating.
wait.
That's not a proper one, but that's kind of like that. But
Up top.
no.
3,000 years later.
Wait, I told you. Oh yeah, there we go. The elbow.
Oh.
You see? Yes.
Ha.
Yes. Ha.
And then So tall.
The first way looks
So
way
big.
easier.
Thank you. Thank you. The first one is so much easier. But actually,
What does it take? What does it take? The 3 ounce. Right. That's how you put on.
oh, what's he wearing underneath? Oh, okay, pants. Oh, I thought you were a bit. So yeah, that's how you put the mu'us on. Let's do this.
We're walking.
Out here in Hargeisa.
You see, I walk and she walks. I think I don't
Yeah, he
walk,
doesn't.
I walk.
No security guards around him as well, as you can see. That's
Safe.
that's what I like.
This is Jamal. Jamal, salam.
Yes,
Dadka salam.
iska warrama.
What's going on, Jamal?
maanta waa jimce
Jimce.
xaaladu waa okay imaamadii waa la sitaa
Yeah.
good
I love Jamal. He's a gangster.
Let's go get some waffles. Oh, sorry, Tim. Thanks. So, what's this for, Mo?
So this is basically to rest your neck when you're herding goats, or when you look at the computer too long, when you're writing a script. Tight. That's how I'm going to use it because I don't have any goats or camels. So I'm going to modernize it in the office.
Okay, I like that.
What is this?
It's for hanging around your girlfriend's neck.
Yeah,
You
so-
want to know what it is.
So she she doesn't surprise you. Come up from behind you like, I saw you. Who are you talking to?
What are you watching?
Okay.
Anyway, I've been chasing this for so long, trying to find this. So,
And that's it.
well done. What did you get, Mohammed?
What did you get, Mohammed?
What did you get?
So we got here culture and we got okay, culture as well.
This is the secret.
What's it? Explain it.
This is Duckles.
What's dukhas?
Got the bells?
Exactly. You don't know, you don't know.
You don't.
If you know, you know.
That's it. If you know, you know.
Alright, let's do this.
Whoa, what's up, guys? So basically, I got the cookie dough. So I don't know. Let's see how it tastes like. I'm at crepes and waffles right now.
The way it's still down inside. So come around that way like this. Yeah, that's it. So these
It's like a cake and a biscuit at the same time. Really nice. What's up, Chaos Squad? Hope you guys are having a beautiful night. Actually, I'm off to bed. I just wanted to say thanks so much for all the support, all the love you guys have been showing me. Sorry I haven't been on Instagram or I haven't uploaded on YouTube. Just been super busy. Hope you guys can understand. But yeah, I'm back to YouTube right now. I just had an amazing last night. Showed Mo Ali and the team around on the KO tour, of course, KO food tour, and then we ended in a beautiful place, Crepes and Waffle. You know, make sure you go support my girl Hobbin out and her family. Beautiful place. If you're here in Hargeisa, you need to go. If you're coming, you need to go. But yeah, some really nice waffles. I'm off to bed. As you can hear, it's actually Fajr, so I'm gonna wait, gonna pray, and then I'm off to bed. So see you guys soon. I'm back on YouTube. I'm back on Instagram. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit that like button, and make sure to hit that notification button so you see the videos that are coming up. All right. Peace, blessings. Ski ski. Habeen on accent.